ഞാൻ അത് സോഷ്യലി കമ്മിറ്റഡ് ആക്കാൻ നോക്കുന്നു എന്ന് ഞാൻ ഉദ്ദേശിക്കാൻ കാരണം മറ്റേ കടുവ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ മൂവി റിലീസ് ചെയ്തപ്പോൾ അതിനകത്തൊരു ഇഷ്യൂ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നല്ലോ. കടുവ എന്ന് പറയുന്ന മൂവി റിലീസ് ചെയ്തപ്പോൾ
So hi guys. Sorry, I forgot to unmute the mic. So what you have to do once you log in, you will get this ID. Here you can change the language to English. Okay, and remember one thing: you just need to create for every audio. You need to create the segments. That means cutting down the parts of the audio accordingly. So if there is another speaker or third speaker or second speaker, third speaker or whatever it may be, you have to create segments for that. If there is main speaker, you have to create segments for that. If there are silence, okay, complete silence, then you have to create a segment for that. You only have to write what main speaker is saying. You don't have to write for any other speakers, a second, third, fourth, or whatever the other main speaker is saying. You don't have to write that. You have to write in a particular language that you are assigned to. For example, in this language, this is Malayalam. So what you have to do, you have to write in Malayalam font what the speaker is saying, the main speaker is saying. If the speaker is saying English and Malayalam both, you have to write English word in English and Malayalam words in Malayalam font. Okay, so likewise you have to do. You don't have to write anything with the non-main speaker, non-primary speaker, or the second, third speaker. You don't have to write that. For non-primary speaker or non-main speaker, the size of the segment can be anything. Okay, it can be 5, 10, 15, or any seconds. You just need to select invalid for that from here. For example, this is our first segment, and sorry, the first segment should be till here because there is a silence portion in the starting.
പ്രോപ്പഗേണ്ട മാതിരിയാ കുറെ സിനിമകളിലൂടെ ഒരു ആ ഒരു സോഷ്യൽ മെസ്സേജ് ആ ഒരു എന്റർടൈൻമെന്റ് ബ്ലെൻഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നില്ല. പണ്ടെല്ലാം അല്ല അപ്പൊ അത് ഒരു പ്രോപ്പഗേണ്ട മാതിരിയാ കുറെ സിനിമകളിലൂടെ ഒരു ഇന്നോസെന്റ് സിനിമകൾ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ അതൊരു തമാശയോ അതിനൊരു ഒരു ഒരു
Likewise, we have to drag
മെസ്സേജ്
it.
ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു, പക്ഷെ അതൊരു നാച്ചുറൽ ആയി അല്ല അപ്പൊ അത് ഒരു
Yeah,
പ്രോപ്പഗേണ്ട മാതിരിയാ കുറെ സിനിമകളിലൂടെ ഒരു ആ ഒരു
till here there is nothing, and this is silence segment. So silence is valid. You just have to give silence tag here and need to click save. That's it. Because this is silent. There is no other speaker or no main speaker or no third speaker or any other speaker are there. You just have to click on silence. From here you need to click the tag and give to silence tag and need to click on save. This will be valid. Now here is
പ്രോപ്പഗേണ്ട മാതിരിയാ കുറെ
the
സിനിമകളിലൂടെ
third speaker or the second speaker, or this is non-primary speaker till here. I guess it is still here. Okay, so what I have to do, I have to delete this, have to select invalid because this is non-primary speaker, this is not main speaker. Just need to click on save. Okay, now here.
ഞാൻ അത് സോഷ്യലി കമ്മിറ്റഡ് ആക്കാൻ നോക്കുന്നു എന്ന് ഞാൻ ഉദ്ദേശിക്കാൻ കാരണം മറ്റേ കടുവ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ മൂവി റിലീസ് ചെയ്തപ്പോൾ അതിനകത്ത്
Now here is the main speaker, and here you can see the main speaker took a gap, took a space or a pause. So you need to create a segment till here, exactly where the speaker took a pause. The size of the segment is 5 seconds. The
ഞാൻ
size
അത്
of
സോഷ്യലി കമ്മിറ്റഡ് ആക്കാൻ
each valid main speaker segment can only be between 5 to 6 or 7 seconds, not more than that. And whatever the main speaker is
ഞാൻ അത്
speaking,
സോഷ്യലി
you have to write in that particular language. Example, you have to write in Uh, just a moment.
കമ്മിറ്റഡ് ആക്കാൻ നോക്കുന്നു എന്ന്
Socially committed. So socially committed will be in English, and the rest thing that the speaker is saying in Malayalam, so you have to write in Malayalam itself. Okay, so whatever the speaker is saying, you have to write in Malayalam font. Okay, likewise, you just need to click on save. This segment is saved now.
അതിനകത്തൊരു ഇഷ്യൂ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നില്ല. കടുവ എന്ന് പറയുന്ന മൂവി റിലീസ് ചെയ്തപ്പോൾ അതിനകത്തൊരു ഇഷ്യൂ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നില്ല.
So the here speaker is saying, the same speaker, the main speaker, another issue. So and the rest is Malayalam, so you have to write in Malayalam and then need to
അതിനകത്തൊരു ഇഷ്യൂ
click on
ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നില്ല.
save.
കടുവ എന്ന് പറയുന്ന മൂവി റിലീസ് ചെയ്തപ്പോൾ
Okay, so here likewise you have to do. Then this way you have to create the segment and have to
അതിനകത്ത് മറ്റേ കുട്ടിയെ അതിനകത്തൊരു ഇഷ്യൂ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നില്ല. കടുവ എന്ന് പറയുന്ന മൂവി റിലീസ് ചെയ്തപ്പോൾ അതിനകത്തൊരു ഇഷ്യൂ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നില്ല. കടുവ
and you have to write rest thing in Malayalam. Again, if there is a gap or a pause of more than 0.3 seconds, then you have to create a particular segment for that. Here you can like I can assume here there is a pause. The here is also main speaker. Here is also main speaker. But here in this portion there is a pause of more than 0.3 seconds. Then we have to create a different segment for this. Just I'll show you.
കുട്ടിയെ അപമാനിക്കുന്ന രീതിയിൽ അപ്പം അത് പിൻവലിക്കേണ്ടി വന്നില്ലേ? അതിനെതിരെ ഒരുപാട് അതിനകത്ത് മറ്റേ കുട്ടിയെ അപമാനിക്കുന്ന രീതിയിൽ അപ്പം അത് പിൻവലിക്കേണ്ടി വന്നില്ലേ? അതിനെതിരെ ഒരുപാട്
Okay, so whatever the speaker is saying, you have to write that. And
ലൈക്ക് വോയിസ് റൈസസ് ഉണ്ടായപ്പോഴത്തെ
look here, you need to create one segment which is a silent portion. I have created a segment because this is more than 0.3, it is 0.64. So I have to create that. This is the silent portion. This is valid, silence, and just you need to create this segment and so on. In between, if you find any other speaker, you don't have to create, you don't have to write for that, you just have to create the segment. I'll just show you. This is another speaker, right? So this is invalid and just simply click on save. That's it. This is how you have to work. The first, this is the first part of the 10 audio. Okay, each part is of 3 minutes only. You can see each part is of 3 minute audio. 3 minutes. That means this is the total 30 minutes of audio you have to complete in one go. Try to complete it by maximum by tomorrow end of the day because we have to make the delivery. Once you complete this audio, inform me, and then again you can start working on fresh audio by clicking here by apply for work, and it's as simple. Okay, many people are asking how we have to um, write in Malayalam or Telugu or Tamil or Kannada. Okay, although you know, but you don't know how to write in computer. So what you have to do, just simply search Google input tool. Okay, so here you can see Google input tool on Chrome. On Chrome, you can just have to download the extension and then you have to search on the particular language that you are going to work. Okay, so here you can just use Google input tool. I can show you on Google input tool how you have to work on Chrome. This is Google input tool on Chrome. Download Chrome extension. Okay, so I have already added it. So this is what the extension is. Okay, extension option. From here, you can select the language that you are going to work. For example, if I'm going to work on Hindi, so I'll select Hindi. now is done. So like whatever I'll write now, it will be written in Hindi. Example, okay. Example, if I'll select Hindi here, look, here is the option. So I just have to write in Roman Hindi and it will automatically changes to Hindi, but I have to understand the correct spelling, right? So this is how you can do it very easily. If you face any doubt, any issue, any questions you have, you can just ask me again and kindly complete the task as soon as possible. Thank you.